My most memorable was my dealer principal telling me that he was going to sponsor me through the NADA Dealer Academy. And that was just a major investment in myself, but also for his business. And whether he realized it or not, but it was a empowering and enabling and teaching opportunity that was exactly what I find value and find purpose in, is growing people and investing in them, and in turn investing in your organization. But it was him doing that and then challenging myself and realizing a lot of things about myself through that whole situation of where I had been getting in my own way, the things that I needed to look for. I found the most impactful to actually be service, which was the department that I've operated the most within, and taught me some different perspectives on some things, opened me up to some considering some different things. That year happened to be an opportunity for me to grow as an individual as well, and this certainly was a catalyst for that. But it shifted my perspective dramatically in the continued growth in self, like investing in yourself, your skill sets, your abilities, and investing in your people and doing the same, and watching what can happen once you start to do that. It'll spread like wildfire and you will accomplish incredible things. We happened to be building a new dealership at that point too, so we were starting everything off from the ground up. Really, there was no staff, there was hardly any hoists. We just had a very, very nice facility in what I would call a blank canvas, and had several employees that are still some day ones for that store, that I told them, I said, we're here to build an empire. I came to create a monster. And that we did. And it's continuing to grow, continuing to build. And it's super cool to see a lot of the young ones that I still work closely with local colleges to continue to grow this dealership, grow this opportunity, and taking a lot of those skills that I've learned along the way, things that I've been taught, in my 25 years. My father is a very successful fixed operations director as well. So this has been in my blood since I was a kid. And now it's just finding the platform to make this more quantifiable and teachable so that it can be passed on, it can spread on. Dealer principals and general managers are really starting to understand the importance of fixed operations and how that plays a key part in the overall success of a dealership. If a service department is functional and there's a thing called fixed absorption, that's the overall health of the dealership. It makes the times when sales like it is right now, when it's tough, it makes it easier to swallow.